pulled it. And pulled it at the tree. And now, do you want it
Wampa mad!
Do you want it zoomed in?
Treasure!
No. I don't
The next one has
on it. Oh, that's a cute baby. No! That's mine. I'm just gonna put a little prank on it. Start her up. Hey, you can't hold it. Want it, Ellie? You want it zoomed in? No. Focus it on the blue one. Look at Ellie, it's right there. Focus it on it.
Jesse, don't!
Hey, that's got it.
But don't. Ellie is playing with those.
Setting the house.
Ding.
This would be better. Okay.
Jesse, no, don't. No, nothing else gets hit. Okay?
No, but it would be so good. Hit it back.
No!
Backwards, and then hit it, and then go. No, Jesse.
No.
That's creepy, Jesse.
Land of Wampa snowman.
We arrived at Bethlehem.
We're going around the huge tree circuit. 80, 90, and 100, and 101.
Wow, it's really fast.
Wampa on the white train. There. We're here. Ellie, don't hit the train.
We are here at Bethlehem.
No more cooking now.